Some words in Bisaya that may be spelled the same but have different meanings. It depends on how you pronounce it or how it's being used in the sentence. The first word is wala. So it's spelled as W-A-L-A. So it can be pronounced as wala, which means left, or wala, like a at the end, which means nothing. The next word is taas. So taas can mean above or on, or it can mean long. For example, ang iring kay naa sa taas sa box, or the cat is on the table. Taas na kaayo imong buhok. Your hair is very long. Next word is baba, spelled as B-A-B-A. It can be pronounced as baba, which means down or go down, or ba-ba, which means mouth. Another word is kaayo, which can be spelled as K-A-A-Y-O or K-A-A-Y-U. So it can mean very. For example, buutan kaayo ka. It means you are very nice. Or it can also be pronounced as kaayo, which means goodness. Iyang kaayo, his or her goodness. And last but not the least is the word tuo, T-U-O. So it can be pronounced as tuo, which means right, or if it is being used in a sentence, prefix pag, so it means pagtuo, which means belief. So iyang pagtuo means his or her belief. And that's all for today. So remember, in Bisaya words, you have to listen how it is pronounced and how the word is being used in a sentence. Hangtod sa sunod, this is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!